morning, everyone. I am Rasha Mariel Amber Miller from the kindergarten class. The future is looking good to us. We have worked so hard to make it so. We did our best and made it true. So now we watch our dreams come true. We'll bring along all we have learned. These are the words of the song that we are about to sing, which best expresses how we, the kindergarten children, feel and for what the future will bring to us. Thank you.
Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Wow, very good.